Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 different hairstyles that you can do as a bridesmaid yourself. I know it gets so expensive being a bridesmaid, so this is a simple way you could save some money, or if you don't have a hairstylist working with you that day, you can do it yourself. You also can use these for any special event or occasion that you're going to. The world is your oyster. Everything I use for these hair tutorials will be linked down below. Make sure to subscribe if you love hair tutorials, and let's get into it.
First hairstyle is going to be a low braided messy bun. You're going to put your hair into 2 ponytails, one right on top of the other. Braid the top ponytail and pull it apart for a fuller look. Now start looping the braid around itself so you create a bun. Tuck the tail underneath the bun and use bobby pins to keep everything in place. Now take the second ponytail, section it into 2 parts, and twist the parts around each other. Pull it apart again for a looser twist and wrap it around your bun. Make sure to cover the hair elastic at the bottom and use as many bobby pins as you wish to make sure everything stays in place. Next hairstyle is a half up, half down with some topsy tails and braids. You're going to take the top section of your hair and put it into a ponytail. Loosen up the elastic and create a hole that you can then twist your ponytail into. Pull on the twist to create more of a sweeping motion with your hair. Now take more hair from one side and braid it. You can tie this off for now. We're going to come back to it. Do the same exact thing to the other side and braid a small section. Now take the braid and loop it through the topsy tail. Use a bobby pin to secure the braid underneath the topsy tail so you can't see the bobby pin. Do the same exact thing to the other side and loop the braid through the topsy tail. Use a pretty accessory to hide your elastic. Our final hairstyle is a French twist. Put your hair into a low ponytail. Point 2 of your fingers and loop the ponytail around your fingers. Now make a come here motion while twisting the hair up. Start fanning out the twist and tuck the tail of your hair underneath with bobby pins. You can keep the top section messy or polished, whatever you prefer, and I used a small comb on the inside of the twist to give it an extra special something. Leave a comment and let me know which hairstyle is your favorite.